Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 11, Python Strings. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. It can be defined using single, double, or triple quotes. Each character in a string can be accessed using its index. Indexing starts from 0. You can extract the substring using slicing. Use start and end indexes inside square brackets to get a part of the string. String methods like upper, lower, replace, and strip help modify or clean strings easily. You can combine strings using the plus operator or F strings. F strings allow easy insertion of variables into text. This diagram shows the 5 key steps in working with strings, from creation to modification. Here is an example showing how to modify and slice a string using Python's built-in features. When this code executes, it prints the uppercase version and a sliced portion of the string. This example creates two strings using single and double quotes and prints them together. The output of example 1, creating and printing strings, is as follows. Hello world. Here, we access the first character and then slice a part of the string using start and end indexes. The output of example 2, accessing and slicing strings, is as follows. Pyth. This example demonstrates string methods like upper and strip to modify and clean strings. The output of example 3, using string methods, is as follows. Hello world. Hello world. This example shows two ways to join strings, using concatenation and F strings for formatting. The output of example 4, string concatenation and formatting, is as follows. Name, Alice. Age, 25. My name is Alice and I am 25 years old. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a string variable with your name and print it. Use single or double quotes to define the string and display it using print. Exercise 2. Access and print the first and last characters of a string. Use indexing with positions 0 and -1 to display both characters. Exercise 3. Slice a string to display only a portion of it. Use string, start, end notation to extract part of the string and print it. Exercise 4. Convert the string to uppercase and lowercase using methods. Use upper and lower functions to modify the text and print the results. Exercise 5. Concatenate two strings and print the result using F strings. Use formatted strings to insert both variables into one print statement. Thank you for watching episode 11. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.